What are your views on current situation of COVID-19?
See, the current situation is really pandemic, so we are not very sure when it is going to be controlled. So at this moment, it is very difficult to say. But then truly speaking, once it is over, then hopefully there are a lot of opportunities are also expected.
What are the challenges?
The main challenges is what everything is getting now online. So the type of businesses, those who are really not falls into the online will be a real difficulty. For IT, for electronics, for digital, for purchases, all those things can be possible online. But then the man-related services for you, process industries or some kind of, process equipment or some labor-oriented, labor-intensive jobs, textiles and all, it will be little difficult. So these are going to be a real challenges once it again starts under control.
What is your agenda or top priorities now?
The top priority is basically to sustain ourselves, to really whatever follow the regulations guided by all our state and central government. At the same time, to take care of our employees with bare minimum cost, at least, to run the show for some certain months till it gets under control.
What is your message for business community?
The message for business community means we have to really see what will be the future opportunity. We have to keep eye on it. All overheads has to be under control. Keep all your employees under full confidence that the situation will come back and everyone will bounce back again. So we have to take everybody into confidence and give them, possibilities for the next better future.
What are your suggestions to the government?
Oh, there are a lot of suggestions, truly speaking. Basically, yesterday itself, that the stimulus package has been announced and all those things. It should really goes to the real needy people, because what we have seen in the banking sectors, everybody knows those who really needs the loan, he doesn't get after submitting all kind of documentation. And those who really not required, those who are already flooded with the money, they will be getting an amount of loans. So those things has to be controlled. Second thing, what we have to see, because now the situation will come majority of in rural areas or even in the countryside, the people will sell their gold and to survive. So there has to be a transparent policy, so no questions asked, or there should not be any binding. There are a lot of show-cause notices and income tax notices are pending, so you have to keep them little aside for a couple of years, and the people has to really work on floor, so to sustain from this and to come out of this situation.
How do you look at the opportunities?
Opportunities will be definitely there, because we have to see how we can take, because lot of companies, those who were having their manufacturing base in China, they may able to ship, especially Japan and other countries already taken those steps. But then, truly speaking, only 3% of the investors are looking India as an option. There are a lot of, because if you see the political issues, the local agitation, people agitation for any project, there are a lot of things we have to be see. But the opportunities, especially if you see the Chinese companies, there is the people are looking either East Europe or even Indonesia, Vietnam. So India is also a hub for it. But then the what you can say, the infrastructure for all those things has to be really under control and safe for the investor is required.
Any other important point you may like to share?
We have to wait and watch what really happens. But then, as considering the lockdown has to be really relaxed, otherwise the economy will further go down, the people will have frustration, and in that frustration, a lot of things can happen. So the death will be more than because of the poverty and food, rather than this coronavirus. If you see, there are more than 9 million people, usually deaths are there in India. So in which we have to really find out which will be the best way. So we have to live with corona.